are you communicating with your clients via email now? I mean, not regular, just one on one, but are you doing any kind of email marketing?
Um, Not really. I just did something for Thanksgiving. I sent out maybe about 50 50 to 55 people. I did send eat my Thanksgiving menu out to
Okay.
them if and to see if anyone wanted to order. But that's about it. It's only like if it's maybe a special occasion, but it's not often that I um, communicate with anyone via email.
Okay. Well, yeah, we're going to start doing that. So your weekly email is going to have the new cooking show episode from this week,
Hmm.
and it's going to have some highlights of this week's meal prep menu.
Okay.
And this is an email list that will start to grow itself once people know about it, because
Hmm.
if I'm on Toyka's emails list, she's going to send me, I'm going to watch a great cooking show. Everybody loves a cooking show. And if I'm interested in meal prep, she's going to tell me what the meal prep is this week, and I'll know if I want to order it. Can you
Yes.
see how this is something, a list that people will want to be on?
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
And then that makes your life a whole lot easier. Instead of wasting time and energy posting on social media, you got your one video a week going out on YouTube, pretty much on autopilot, and you're sending out one email a week, and that's really all you need. That's going to be enough over time to comprise your marketing and bring you the kind of business that you want. It
Yes.
just about committing to it over time. And this is where most people fail, is they don't, many things work, nothing works fast. So people try a
Right.
bunch of different
Right.
things, and any number of those things would have worked if they would just commit to it over enough period of time for it to work.